Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming in 4K because I'm doing a mascara try on and review. This is not my first impressions. I have used this mascara in the past. While I put the mascara on and let you see how it applies, I'm going to share my experience of wearing it with you. So I'm just telling you that I am filming in 4K so that you can be sure to watch this video in high def. So that you can really see the lashes. I'm going to zoom you in super close once we get to the application. And yeah, it's going to be a short and sweet video. So if you're curious, where's the front? If you're curious what my thoughts are on the new Essence Call Me Queen mascara, just keep on watching. Okay, so I have already curled my lashes. I curled my lashes with my Refer Lash Curler. I'm going to go ahead and just do another like gentle round here. Okay. And I did not film this look, but I did create a look today with my Naked palette. So this is my second or third time to use it. I can't remember which one. Pretty sure it's third time. Yeah, third time to use it. So if you'd like for me to film this look, let me know. I could recreate it for you. It's a really simple look. But yeah, I did not film the look. I just kind of threw on my makeup real quick. And before I got into the mascara, I thought I would go ahead and just film this for you. Okay, so this is what the brush looks like. It's kind of like a conical shape with a little bit of graduated curve, like a graduated shape. So it does grip my lashes really well, but in my opinion, it's not quite as impactful as the classic Lash Princess from Essence. So if you enjoy this mascara and you really like that like false lash effect with a lot of volume, this is not really the effect that this mascara gives. Okay, that's not really the effect that this mascara gives. This does, I feel like, look a lot more like what the Believe Beauty in this purple tube. Here's the label on it. Sorry for the bad lighting, but here it is. The Believe Beauty mascara, after you build it up 3 coats, it gives this same effect. And so this Call Me Queen, I feel like gives the same effect of the Believe Beauty, but after 1 coat, as you can see. That's 1 coat that I just applied. I'm going to apply this now on my worst set of lashes. And not only is it my worst set of lashes, because I tend to sleep on that side of my face, but like I'm, you know, having to go opposite to face the brush in the same direction as the way it is for me naturally on this side. And I can't use this hand to put on my mascara. I mean, maybe I should try to practice that so that if for some reason something ever happens to my dominant hand, I am not starting from scratch with the other one. But anyways, let me just apply this really quickly. Okay, so that is right here in the middle is where I have this like a funky clump that I created by using lash serums back in the day when I did that, which I regret highly for several reasons. Anyway, yeah, so that's 1 coat of the Call Me Queen mascara. That's what it looks like with me looking straight up. Trying not to go too far up so that I don't get mascara tips marking the top of my eyeshadow. But that's what it looks like with 1 coat. Before it completely dries, which this one is still pretty wet. This one is almost completely dry. I can feel it. It's probably like pretty much dry. I'm going to go ahead and build up 2 coats for you, which I don't normally do. I will say that I do enjoy this shorter brush on it because I haven't so far like hit my nose with it. And this is my first time to build it up with 2 layers. So I do really like the way that it looks, but I would like this for more of a kind of like simple eye look like I'm wearing today. If I was doing one of my super intense dark eye looks, like sometimes I like to do, I really don't think that this mascara would provide enough oomph for my lashes to be seen through all the dark, deep eyeshadow that I do when I do like super dark, smoky, bold looks. So, you know, it's just, buddy, don't eat your foot. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Don't eat your foot, buddy. Don't eat your foot. Okay. It's just, you know, it just depends on what kind of a lash look you want. Hold on, I gotta concentrate so I don't stab myself in the eye while I'm talking. Hold on. All right, so there is, I do like that the brush is also like small and narrow enough to be able to do my lower lashes. Because oftentimes I feel like I need to have a different mascara just for my lower lashes, specifically for like the change in brush and the formula too. Because like I don't always want the exact same kind of effect on my lower lashes as I might want on the top of my lashes. Sometimes I just want a little bit of definition, you know, without them getting like too volumized and long. Like right now, I don't normally do this kind of, I call this a natural but dramatic looking, like a dramatic on the natural leaning side of lower lashes. But normally for my natural lower lash look, I don't do any mascara and I'll just like shade the bottom. But okay, so here is 2 coats on the lashes, both the top and the bottom, with the Call Me Queen, with the new Essence Call Me Queen mascara in black. I don't know if this comes in a waterproof formula, but this is not the waterproof formula. Okay, guys, here is a close-up of the eyes. Like, I don't know if you wanted to see the profile or whatever of the lashes, but so I just wanted to give you a close-up of the eyes so that you can see not only what the mascara looks like, but also the eye look that I created with the Naked palette. So yeah, let me know what you think of this mascara. I just saw this at the register when I was checking out at Ulta when I picked up my Naked palette. So I thought it might be fun to use them both together. And yeah, that's what I did today to create this look. So let me know what you think of this mascara. I personally didn't experience any flaking or any irritation throughout the day. I was able to wear the mascara for several hours, like many hours, and I didn't feel any kind of like, not necessarily irritation to like sensitive eyes irritation, but like sometimes my eyes get tired of having the mascara on. Some formulas I can wear longer than others, and I'm not really sure what the difference is, but like sometimes in certain mascaras, I can't wear for more than like a couple hours. So I'll wear them just like if I'm gonna go eat and then come home and wash off my face or something like that. But there's other mascaras that I can wear all day long. And this is one of the mascaras that I can wear all day long. Same with the Lash Princess, but if I had to choose between these 2 mascaras, for a more va-va-voom lash, I would still go with this one. But for a more like natural, simple, everyday look, I do really like the way this works on my lashes. So that's what I think about the new Essence Call Me Queen mascara. Let me know what your experience has been with the mascara. I would love to chat with you about this product down below. So be sure to leave me a comment down there, especially if you're new to my channel, so that I can say hello and welcome you and thank you for being here. But yeah, if you're one of my regular viewers, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel. You know that I really appreciate you coming back and watching my content, especially when it's not specifically a video that a video on a product that you might be interested in. So I really appreciate when you watch my videos anyways and just spend some time with me and let me spend a little time with you in your life. So I really appreciate you being here and watching my channel and supporting me the way that you do. It really warms my heart and I greatly appreciate it. I just want to say thank you. I feel like I don't say that enough, but you know, I try to convey that by uploading often to make you happy. Anyway, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to click the like button. It really does help my small channel out so much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you're interested in special members only content, be sure to click down below. The join button will be in the description box. Just click the more underneath this video and a bunch more information will pop down and you can click the membership of my channel that I recently launched. So I'm still building the library of members only videos, but I do have a couple up there for you. I do have a couple things up there for you. So yeah, anyhow, if you do join my channel, thank you so much. I look forward to hanging out with you in a more exclusive manner there on that side of my channel. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know about my membership. I just wanted to let you know about my channel membership before I go, but yeah, thank you so much again. But that's going to do it for the video. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.